Nuts to the left, nuts to the right. We're like in sync now.
Have you felt that?
Yeah. Oh, I feel so self-conscious about my hair right now. Right. Should we go in? It's like it's been 5 minutes already.
Okay, well, okay, one more swing, yeah? One more swing.
Okay.
So maybe today we can play together, yeah?
Yeah.
Record this time again, yeah?
Yeah.
Thank you. Wait, why am I so bad on the other one? Hey, second!
I hop off?
Can you hop off?
Yeah. Probably like out here.
Okay. Let me do that one.
Nice. Can I get it? Can I get it? No. It literally teases you.
Did you get that?
I did, yeah. It literally teases. Little snippets. Damn, those houses. I'm not even a modern architectural type of guy, but it's got to be a good view. That turquoise was amazing.
So maybe like a rocket scientist? There to the actual garden centres. It's quite handy. Or the other way around, you know.
That's right, that's right. Have you ever done it? Have you walked up?
No.
Looks like it would be a lovely walk up.
So we did go for a walk. Me and Ellie and the dog. We did a little circular walk.
Good. One more time, one more time. Oh, sorry. Oh, this is cute.
Is it saying up here? So what? Suspicious cauldron for sure. So how do we get to it? Can you see it? Can you see it?
What, the rocks?
Sorry, I'm getting excited. There's like a curvy bit that goes round like that. That's got to be it.
Wow, that ombre.
I like the beach.
You can see the you know, how it goes round.
It's kind of scaring me out.
Yeah, it looks like we're going to drive into the sea, doesn't it?
There. That's got to be it. Do you see the rock formation?
Yeah.
That's the Grammy.
No. Did you say no?
That is.
So there's a huge rock and it stands and you can go all around it.
And the cauldron is like round, you know, and then so it's blown the rock over time.
At first I thought you meant something like Stonehenge sort of
No,
formation,
no, it's actually
but it's like actual, just a natural bit of rock that's...
That's it, for sure. How do you get down to it? It did say that it's quite a hairy descent.
It is a bloody hairy descent, isn't it? Look at that. Whoa.
You can walk.
Wow. Wow.
God, that's beautiful. Isn't it behind me now?
Yeah.
Yeah, look, you can go down there.
Oh yeah, you can.
Oh, there's people walking up.
Should we...
there.
Oh,
I don't know where to park.
this is wild. Yeah, where can...
It's the witch's cauldron.
same.
Let's just park here.
Me just having a thought. Oh yeah, true. nice.
This looks okay.
Yeah, this is
I
fine.
don't want to climb. I don't
Hmm?
want to.
This doesn't look that crazy on camera, but that is wild. Wild, wild. I like that this area doesn't smell like really salty. It kind of feels like you're just by just like any other body of water. But my gosh, isn't this so beautiful? Oh, the sky's run off. I'm scared to show my face right now because my hair's drying. And I feel like my hair can just look really stupid.
Oh, pick me!
The tide is coming in so fast.
Woo! That's good, man.
That was so funny. The tide just came in so fast. Soaked. This is a cool beach though. I was doing so good, and now I fully look like I was peaceful to myself. The bridge is so cool. Chunky bits of rock that are like, it's just very like natural and raw. Not too like cut back or anything. I love it. I don't know if you call that slate. I don't know why I've got that in my head. You call that slate. I'm probably chatting shiz though. Private land, that is. Come back here, mate.
Charlie.
Yeah.
So when we get back, should we? I'm gonna go on Xbox, yeah.
Yeah. I'll go on my laptop.
Yeah.
We're gonna play a match of rivals. Nuts to the left, nuts to the right.
Where are we going?
That's mad. Imagine living in that
I
house.
don't.
That.
I can see you.
Sometimes like that smells nice, but sometimes it irritates me a bit. And this area does not. Some ideas are minging, as per. This is good light. It's too good. Ow. No. Leave the spider bud, darling. I feel bad.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.